Hey guys, today I'm going to be making mashed potatoes. I'm sure you all have your own recipe for it, but I just wanted to show you mine. It's pretty simple and very flavorful. So go ahead and get 2 pounds of potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes, so make sure to wash off your potatoes, scrub them down with water, and pat dry. Go ahead and then slice your potatoes. It makes it easier to cook in the pot of water because one whole ass potato takes a long time. So there are my sliced up potatoes. And while you're doing this, go ahead and get your water boiling so it's ready to go. So as you can see, my water's ready. I put the potatoes in. I left them in there for about 40 minutes. You can do 30, you can do an hour. It's totally up to you. Go and put the lid on, let it be. I have a little masher, so I mashed them by hand. And then I went ahead and added a half a cup of milk. I use lactose-free milk because my husband has a sensitive tongue, even though we added butter right after this, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, half a cup of milk. Of your choosing. And then I use a 1/4 cup of butter, partially melted, mostly melted. And I just season with a little bit of salt and pepper to your liking. Also be careful with the salt and pepper. You don't want to over salt and pepper potatoes. So just add a little bit at a time. Keep tasting as you go. I think I added salt and pepper like 3 different times until I got the flavor I wanted. And that's how I make my mashed potatoes. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe out there.